One of the things that's always been a challenge for me with Canva is keeping track of my photos, keeping the photos together. They're all in my upload file. Here are the images that I have. You can see I use a lot of Bitmojis. Here are my friends, Paula Christensen and Jillian Whitney, who've been recent guests on my LinkedIn Live shows. So now I will be able to, using the Brand Hub, I will be able to add photos. You can see already there are a variety of logos, things that I've used on my various company websites, and they just naturally migrated to this Brand Hub. But I am now able to go down and add photos. I did add one just to, see how it worked. You can open that up and see that I have one photo here right now. Now, in order to go in and add some photos, I will go into Edit on my Brand Hub, which I've now titled Personal Brand You, and you can scroll down and see places where you can add additional items. So here I'm going to go into Photos to show you how simple it is to do this. So I'm going to add a new photo and click Upload Photos. And so here, this comes up to a folder that I've been using before. I can go in and just choose another headshot. I'll choose an old headshot here that I haven't used in a while and open that up. And there it is right there in my photos. I use a lot of Bitmojis in my content. So I'm going to just choose a few of those to download. This is one that I use often, so I'm just going to add that in. And go to something else here and add another one that I use all the time. And so now I have these that are going to be really at the ready for me to use whenever I am creating content. So now, instead of having to go to my upload folder, I can go right into my Brand Hub and choose a photo that I would want to use. Say if I'm creating a LinkedIn Live and I want to put an image in there, I can just get that right from my Brand Hub, which is going to save a lot of time.